Setting instructions. After waking up the keyboard, enter the 1-pound key to enter the setting menu. Verify the registered administrator. Note, if no administrator is registered before, you can place any fingerprints or press 1 2 3 4 5 6 pound the initial password. Add administrator. Press 1 for administrator setting and then press 1 to add administrator. After entering the configuration operation, add the fingerprint, passwords or card. Enter password twice. Enter card once. After successful registration, press the star key to return. Add common user. Press 2 key common user setting. Press 1 key add user. After entering the configuration operation, add the fingerprint, passwords or card. Enter password twice. Enter fingerprint for 5 times. Enter card once. After successful registration, press the star key to return. Language selection. Press 1 pound and verify the administrator to enter management menu. Press 3 key system setting. Press 3 key language selection. 1 is Chinese, 2 is English. Please select the corresponding number as needed. Opening direction selection. No password has been set. First, check whether the left and right doors are correct. When it is found that the door opening direction is opposite to the lock opening, we need to adjust the door opening direction. Press 1 pound and verify the administrator to enter management menu. Press 3 key system setting. Press 4 key opening direction. 1. Press 1 for left open. Press 2 for right open. The default is right open. Please select the corresponding number as needed. If the digital lock can be unlocked correctly after calibration, that means calibration is done.